How to delete your Facebook Messenger account. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if you want to delete your Messenger or Facebook account, what you're simply gonna do is first open Messenger app on your device. Now, in the bottom right corner of your screen, you can see a three-bar option, which is also the menu. Click on it, and then in the first, you can see the option which is settings. Go there. After you go to settings, it will take you to this sort of page where you can see all the settings over here. Scroll to the bottom of this page and then go to the option which is account center. Click on it and then scroll a bit down. And under account settings, you can see the option personal details, which is in the second. Open it and then you'll see this options. Go to the third option, which is account ownership and control. Then over here also you'll see two options, which are memorialization and deactivation or deletion. Go to the second option, which is deactivation or deletion, and then choose your account. After that, you can either deactivate your Facebook Messenger account or delete it. So you can click on either one you want to do and then go to continue. Then you'll successfully delete your Messenger account. So thank you for watching it to the end of the video. Hope you like it and see you in the next one.